Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wildly Graceful. I had a ton of questions about my clothing storage option in the trailer, so I thought I'd just do a quick rundown of what I exactly did. So earlier, as you saw, I placed 4 of these baskets long-wise in this under queen compartment. They fit completely snug with probably a good 6 to 9 inches above them for additional storage. I found these baskets. They're canvas lined with plastic on Amazon. I believe they're 17 by 13 by a foot high. I just wanted to show you how much they store. There's this additional piece of fabric so that you can pull the clothes tight and keep it cleaner if you wanted to. I know I have a teenage girl, and I imagine that she's going to stuff this pack full and use this as just extra wall space. But I wanted to show you how much these actually hold. I have massive sweatshirts in here. This is my sweatshirt bin, so if we get cold, we have it. This is a men's hoodie. I have another men's sweatshirt. There's 2. I have another women's sweatshirt. There's 3. Another women's. That's 4. Another women's. 5. A men's. 6. And another women's. 7. And I still had tons of room in this. I'll put it back in to show that it holds a ton of stuff. I roll a lot of our clothes so they fit. But my idea was to take these out of the trailer the day before our trip and have the kids each pack one in their room and then bring it out to me as we head out to the road. I don't want them packing their jackets and stuff in with their clothes because I want it to be quick access for those cold nights or those unexpected rainstorms that we do get here in the evenings in Arizona. But that was my thinking behind it. I have another one down below me that has 7 full days of clothes in it, including undergarments and swimwear, with jeans, leggings, t-shirts, everything I could possibly need. So if you take a look at this, I didn't even fold these nicely. I still have plenty of room in this for more heavier jackets, I don't know, sweatshirts, and I could even add more if I wanted to add this. And this will fit full to the top in this under compartment down here. Anyways, that's it. I'll put the link to our Amazon site where I got these on this webcast. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for joining us. Bye.